in Rockford Hills. An armored car robbery. Respond code 3.
Hear that? I wish people realized that I'm an artist as well as an officer.
It's the nail on the head.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive, it's passionate. Every word I move so constricted like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who bad things, being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, speaking slow, speaking fast, not to roast, not to gas, think I'm okay and that's, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been I never got anyone's help. I do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Piece of trash.
You disgust me. I kill you, cocksucker.
We have an ambulance call in Rockford Hills. Units respond code 3.
Piece of garbage. No. Damn! Reloading.
All units, we've got medical aid requested in Rockford Hills. Units respond code 3.
Do not panic. Help has arrived.
Ambulance, assistance required in, Rockford Hills.
Work with me, damn it. I'm on it.
Assistance required in
Time to get busy.
Rockford Hills.
Dispatch, Ghost 1 responding.
That's fucked up.
All right,
Oh my
give
God,
me
now
something.
what?
We might be too late.
What the hell? Ah, they're dead.
Assistance needed in Rockford Hills.
Roger, dispatch, we are en route.
Right there.
There's a man.
Wise ass.
Crap. Give me a chance. This must be cursed. Move quickly, people.
It's a wrap for this one.
Carajo, what a mess. Nope, this one's gone.
Hi.
Shoot!
We did
Can't let
everything
it
by
slow
the
me
book.
down. Oh, hell, not looking good. Oh, crap.
This is why I
Just
enjoy
a
it.
shame. Damn, let's do what we can do. Come on, let's go. Rápido, rápido.
That was depressing.
I found a great coffee shop that takes the Fleeca badge. Whatever.
What? Next time. There's always a next time.
Attention all units. Code 4, no further units required. Citizens report a possible 211 at Vinewood 24/7 Market.
Kids, nobody respects the badge
Respond
anymore, you know?
code 3.
That's a copy. The fuck was that?
Bed smell like
Target last seen on foot. We have units requesting air support. Over. Downtown Vinewood.
We're airborne and moving in. Over.
We have a code 99 in downtown Vinewood. Units respond code 3.
Eagle 1, we've got them going east. Copy, dispatch.
LSPD! Put your hands up!
Let's get him! Just give up!
Give it up!
LSPD, get down on the ground!
Assistance required in Bay Tree Canyon.
I wish people realized that I'm an artist as well as an officer.
You are not wrong.
Attention all units. Code 4, no additional support needed. We have suspicious activity in downtown Vinewood. We have a person with a firearm, a criminal resisting arrest in downtown Vinewood.
We have cameras, just so you know. Get the hell out of my shop!
Officers report a suspect on the run in West Vinewood.
Dispatch, we have a visual.
You're completely surrounded.
Assistance required in downtown Vinewood. Backup needed in downtown Vinewood.
Queen 2, we are on our way.
Ten-4.
Now LT's been riding my ass about getting my ticket quota up.
Tell me about it. Hey there.